guys. Got a new camera. It's a Sony a7S III. It's a super expensive camera, but I thought I'd investing it into the channel. So let me know what you guys think of the quality, as well as the settings. That way I can improve it or put it to your guys' liking. Dang. So far, I love the quality of this camera. But been going through a lot of things. I've been really busy. As just to let you guys know, I moved out of my apartments and I'm back in my mom's house for now. I didn't want to renew my lease because I've been having as you guys have known, I've had a lot of stuff being stolen off my car, and then just living there has just been a headache. I've went through like 3 spoilers already. I've had my tires slashed, and I've just had things stolen from my car. So I was so happy when my lease ended. I'm back at home right now. We're actually finishing up a side house in the studio. It's going to be completed very soon, and that's where I'm going to be living. But right now I'm living in my brother's old room. But yeah, and then I've been busy at work a lot. But yeah, I'm finally ready to start putting out some more content now that I have like a lot more room to do things. But yeah, today's video is going to be basically a full complete mod list of my car. I asked everybody on Instagram. I did a poll, I want to say a couple weeks ago prior to this, and it was basically a poll asking whether you guys wanted to see a complete mod list, 5 things I hate about my car, things I love about my car, and then I forgot the last one, but I'm gonna be doing all of them. It's just this one got the most likes and the most votes for it, so I'm gonna do this one first. So let's get on with the video. Firstly, I want to say, look at my lip. As you guys know, in the last video I installed it, but I am static, so already cracked it. It's more cracked at the bottom, but the thing is my car is so low that you can't even notice, so that's a good thing, I guess. The first mod list I'm going to go through, just from the bottom, is going to be this agency power carbon fiber lip. I will list all these mods if I can find them in the description below. It's just in case you guys are interested. But yeah, this is an agency power carbon lip. It's on the pricier side, so just be warned, guys. I believe it's like almost like 700 bucks for this. But yeah, so that's it. Next we have this beautiful Maritime blue wrap by Inozetek. It's throughout the entire car. I did decide to add some gloss black accents, as you can see right there, with the grille, the emblems, the side vents. We also decided to, I decided to wrap the roof in a galaxy black. Next off we have the rear spoiler. It's a carbon fiber spoiler. It is from eBay. Next up on the list is the diffuser. I get asked this a lot, but it definitely does bring an aggressive side to your Q60 if you guys do decide you want to add this part to your car. This part is from Street Aero. Now we have probably one of the most frequent asked questions is, what wheels am I running and what am I lowered on? So to get that all out there, these are niche sector wheels. I've never seen anybody with these, so I wanted to get these. I know a lot of people run the TEs and they are beautiful and everything. I just didn't want to have the same wheels as a lot of people have, so I went with these niche sector wheels. And they are lowered on RSR springs. I believe they're the sus versions. Yeah, it's kind of sus. They are the sus version, the RSR sus springs. Next up we have the easy parts, which are from Easy Splitters. We have side skirts and the carbon fiber mirror caps. Now up next we have the performance parts. So what I'm running for the exhaust, is you guys probably have seen already, we are running an ARK exhaust, ARK Catback exhaust. We are running an ARK exhaust with AMS downpipes, and as far as other performance modifications, I am also running a Burger Motorsport JB4 boost controller. Yeah, that pretty much completes the performance part. And cosmetically, yeah, that's pretty much everything that's done to my car. Yeah guys, that's gonna complete this complete walkthrough of my car. I know it was a short video, I just wanted to put something out and really quickly, but yeah, I just wanted to put something out just because I know I haven't posted in a while. But I have the other poll questions that I'm still gonna be putting out, where there's those of you that are interested in buying Q60 or Q50 for the first time, things I hate about my Q60 that I do not like, things that I love about my Q60, and I believe there was one more thing, but don't worry guys, I have a few more video ideas that are going to be coming out. I'm going to be trying to put out more content in the upcoming weeks. Yeah guys, let me know what you guys think of all these mods, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.